This is absolutely nuts. If you're not using agents to automate your outreach with B2B, you're getting left behind. There's no question anymore. This is part 2 to our series where we created a Chrome extension web scraper to get email addresses, names, websites for any niche, any business, B2B. And in this video, I'm going to show you how we're going to now automate that. So we already have the data using our Chrome extension. You can check out the other video in the series, but this is part 2. And now we're going to take that and automate it through Zapier, and it's going to create customized emails based off of their website information, what they're up to. It's going to customize it. It's going to create Gmails for us. It's going to create the drafts, and all we're going to have to do is click, and it's going to blast out for your business, your agency, whether you're a plumber or a real estate agent or anything in between. But if you do B2B business to grow, this is a must watch. So let's get into it. So this is a 3-step process. Step 1 is we're going to go in and actually pull the data from Google. I'll show you exactly how to do that using our web scraper that we built in a previous video. So make sure you guys check that out. You actually get access to a tool that you can download any leads from Google for free. So that's the first step, is pulling the data on Google using our web scraper. Step 2 is we're going to be setting up the agent on Zapier. Really, really simple, step by step, connecting the behaviors and telling it exactly what to do to customize the emails and search. And step 3 is going to be emailing. Really, really easy. So let's get into it. Okay, so here is how the web scraper works. So we built this in our Chrome extension, which is up here. You guys can see it up here. It's called the B2B contact scraper. And all you have to do is go to Google and type in real estate, whatever you want the industry to be, whether it's real estate, whether it's restaurants, whether it's plumbers. So I typed in, make sure you put the quotation marks, real estate agent in San Diego. Actually, let's do Los Angeles. I think that'll be way more. So let's do Los Angeles. And then also quotes, gmail.com. And now you're going to have all of these links. And if you open up our scraper, 101 emails on the first page. So let's go to page 2. 110. So you can just basically click here for 20 seconds. And in another video, I'm going to automate this part too, but I want to just show you actually how to do this manually. So I just clicked, you saw 10 seconds, and we got 124 emails. Just think about how much that would cost you to go to an agency to pay for these types of leads. And guess what? This is exactly how they're getting it. So now we have our leads. Let me open them up for you so you can see what it looks like. We're going to go to downloads. And here is our list. So we have all of the different email addresses, and we have also the websites. So now we're going to open up Google Sheets. And this is the process. So Google Sheets, we're going to create a blank spreadsheet. And then all we're going to do is we're going to take all of those leads, which we got here, we're going to copy them, and then we're going to paste them in here. And we're going to call this B2B RE. And then we're just going to sort them by website, because I want to make sure that they have the website in order to be able to find the information. So right now I'm going to go in and just clean up these emails. So this is called enriching. I'm just cleaning up my list. So check it out. So these are all the websites that I pulled. And here is all of the Gmails that I pulled. So now we're going to sort it by Gmail. And again, we can create an automation to clean this, or only pull data that has an email and a website, right? You can just customize this to however you want. But for the purpose of this, we're moving quickly here. So now let's delete this. And now look, in 5 seconds, 20 seconds, we got 22 agents with email addresses and their website. Okay, so next, all we have to do is open up Zapier, go to zapier.com and click on agents. Let me actually show you this from the beginning. So you can see zapier.com. Oh, actually on that note, you guys could see, so here's my website actually that I created with NoCode, separate video. But if you guys are interested in joining our NoCode AI army, go to marcinai.com, click this link, and you guys will be off and running. We have an amazing community of creators. But let's get back to the video. That's a cheap little plug right there, but we got an amazing group. So here we go. So you go open up zapier.com, and then right here on the left side, it says agents. Just click on agents. And with the free account, you're able to do, I think, up to 750 zaps. So we're going to create a new agent. And here you go. You have customized ones. You have templates. So you got support email agent, outreach agent, lead enrichment agent. We were just talking about that. You can enrich these leads, get their first name and other information, phone number, whatever it is. You got a sales prep agent. You got a sales email creator. So that's the one we want to choose here. And for speed, you just want to do this because you can start from scratch, but why start from scratch if you could just do it? Here we go. We got Google Sheets. So we're going to configure Google Sheets. We're going to select our Gmail. We're going to then select that data source, which is the RE data, which we set up. And then we're going to modify data source. And then we're going to use this template. And I'm going to show you what this template actually has. It's also going to ask me for the Gmail. So we're going to set up the Gmail, same one. So now we have the Google Sheets connected. We have the Gmail connected. And then look at this, guys. So we got our trigger, which is on demand. So in real time, but we can also schedule this. So you could say, I want it to happen every hour instead of in real time. So we got every hour. And then we're going to do this. Here's the instructions. This is where the magic happens. So here's how it works. So for each row in the spreadsheet, but if we delete this, okay, and then you just click, so it says for each row in the, and you go down here and you hit data, and you click on the data we connected. So here we go. For each row in the RE data spreadsheet, do the following steps. Search the provider website for information about the company. We've already seen that we have that. Then we have the name and email. Use the information gathered from the website and any details about the contact and draft an email. And again, we can go here and teach the agent exactly what we want, the exact details of what you want the agent to say, the subject, the body, and everything in between. So if you wanted to say certain things, if you want to not say certain things, if you want to use a certain tone, you're able to do this. And then generate the body and subject for the email based on the information, and then use this following format. So here's the format. Subject, personalized subject based on the company and contact. And then it's going to say, hey, contact name, just found your platform and I'm impressed with specific feature and achievement. This is from their website. I'd love to connect. So what I'm going to say now is I'm going to customize this to my liking. I'm going to say Marcin AI, looking forward to connecting, Marcin AI, and I'm just going to say this right here, just so you guys can see the customization. I am a no-code AI developer helping real estate agents grow their business, sell more homes, and most important, make more money, period. Okay, real simple. Now we're going to go and hit save, and then we're going to test this behavior. And now it's going to go in and create every single step of those fully autonomous by itself every hour. I could say every 10 minutes. So now the goal would just be going back to Gmail, right? And doing our search. Real estate agents, let's say we want to go to San Diego. Now we go back to our data. We're going to hit enter. We're going to open up our Chrome extension, B2B contact scraper, and bang, we got 20, 30, 35 emails on the first page. Let's go to the second page, third page. I want to just show you how quickly you can do this. And part 3 of this, I'm actually going to show you how to automate this part too. But that's going to be using a special secret sauce. But right now we have, in 10 seconds, we have 61 leads, guys and ladies. I keep saying guys, but it's guys and ladies. You get the point. So now let's open this up and look what we have here. 61 emails. Some of them don't have websites, but most of them do. And then we're going to go back. We're going to put that into our Google Sheets. As we saw earlier, going to start creating the actual custom emails. And once they're done, which it looks like they are now, we go to drafts. And here we are. Look at this. Exploring new opportunities. Hey, Betty Graham, I just came across your profile. I love what you did. As a former president and chief operator, your contributions have undoubtedly shaped the industry. It went to their website, it read a current story probably or their about page, and it actually created this. I am a no-code AI developer, and I specialize in helping real estate agents like you achieve even greater success by leveraging AI to boost sales, streamline operations, and maximize revenue. I love to connect and explore more. Guys, please, ladies, if you're not doing this for your business right now, you are absolutely getting left behind. This is absolutely nuts, and I can't get more excited because this is so freaking crazy for a local business, whether you're in insurance, whether you're in real estate, whether you're an agency or anything in between. If you want to make more money leveraging AI, this is absolutely what you need to be doing. And here's the crazy part, absolutely free. This is the introduction to this. Imagine what we can do when we use paid services or spend a little more than 20 minutes making this video. So if you guys like that, definitely give a follow, Marcin AI, check out our community, and yeah, definitely check out the links below for some of the amazing tools that we use on this channel. And thank you so much, and I will see you in the next one.